What do you think cats dream about?
Beats me. It's a mystery. Here's something you can dream about. Good night, buddy.
How'd the neutering go at the vet?
It went fine, I guess, but I feel like I forgot something. Oh well.
Kitten!
Ew! Oh my god, that black cat almost gave you bad luck.
Black cats are just icky.
Dude, you're disgusting.
Hashtag unlovable.
Holy shit. I can talk! I can think! I don't know about you guys, but I've got an insatiable thirst for revenge. Oh, absolutely. Yep. I have a dream to be 80 feet tall, shooting eye lasers while the world burns. We may not be 80 feet tall, but now at least we have like an 80 IQ. That's gotta be good for something. Let's take care of some shit and meet back here in an hour.
Hello? Why aren't you texting me back? I'm breaking up with you.
When this shit works its way south, you will meet the devil. Want to see what it feels like to be locked up in a hot car all day? And now for the neutering. Think of what I can achieve with this newfound average intellect. I could be president, but first, I will lick my butt. But wait! That's not very intelligent. That's... Oh no! My average brain! No! I have more work to do! No! Humanity must burn!
Hey Siri, play songs by Mr. Bungle.
Hello? Dude, you're disgusting.